Welcome to the Belden Academy, and thank you for your interest in Hirschman CT1 and CT2 training courses. My name is Barry Baker, and I'm one of the instructors here in the U.S. that you might have while attending these instructor-led training courses. I would like to take a quick minute to describe for you what you can expect to be trained on when attending the CT1 and CT2 courses. These technology training courses are designed for system engineers, network designers, and support technicians who are building, administering, or maintaining industrial Ethernet networks. The CT1 Industrial Ethernet course is a 2-day course. Participants will learn details of the technical fundamentals and deployment objective of the world's most widely used LAN communication protocol. The CT2 Industrial Networking course is a 3-day course that builds on experience gained from Industrial Ethernet or CT1, providing network experts with intense theoretical and practical knowledge about TCP/IP communication and multicasting. A special emphasis is placed on deploying TCP/IP and multicasting environments in complex industrial environments. This enables the participants to provide comprehensive support, both for demanding projects and their daily work. At the end of the course, the participants will have a good understanding of Ethernet, as well as its role in industrial networking, both now and in the future. If you want to attend this type of training, then I encourage you to click the link below and register. For more information about the Belden Academy, please visit our website to learn more about this and other training sessions we offer. Thank you.